Vitamin C is a molecule which cannot penetrate the skin if you just apply vitamin C. It requires very sophisticated vehicles so that it can actually seep in the skin. Skin is very selective.
So, Dr. Pankaj, I am so glad you're here. You must know what women like to talk about.
Anti-aging and beauty.
Absolutely. Aren't we all like kind of obsessed about it?
So, I am 50.
I'm 46.
And you're looking very, very young, so I won't even ask what your age is.
I'm 39.
This is a big concern. You know, you go and you still want to look very nice. You want to look younger than your age most of the time. Let's admit it. So what should we be doing?
We grow old physically, but inside our heart, there's always a young boy, young girl. Look at our faces in the mirror. So we always think, I used to look much better when I was like, 5 years younger. So science has given opportunities to slow down these changes which occur over the period of time. Of course, this is inevitable. Changes are inevitable, but undesirable things we can tone down, we can make them better by using certain scientific approaches.
As a 50-year-old, what should you do?
So when we talk about anti-aging, we need to understand that there are changes in the body. There are changes in the skeleton, there are changes in the muscles, they become lax. We lose fat from the areas where the fat should be, and we gain fat where we don't want the fat, right? The face becomes heavy, it sags down. So the anti-aging begins right from modifying your lifestyle. You should be more focused on taking good nutrients, healthy diet, good moisturizers like advanced moisturizers in the form of hyaluronic acid if somebody is having dry skin. If somebody has got oily skin, then retinol or alpha hydroxy acid based night creams.
Now, so much talk of anti-aging, and children or young girls and adults who are in their 20s are starting to use anti-aging products. So when is the right age?
Aging process sets in as early as 25 years of age to start something to prevent the aging process.
So what do you start at 25? What are the basics of what you would do?
Sun protection is very important because most of the surface changes on the skin, that be discoloration, aging spots, fine lines, they are because of aging process. It should be done on regular basis, on everyday basis. And these days, not only the sunlight is causing the damage, even the mobile screens, computers, laptops and iPads, they emit so much of ultraviolet radiation, blue light, even that damages the skin.
So does everybody need a dermatologist?
To be honest, yes. Yes.
That's what I was going to come to. Now you said home care, but there's so many products out there. How do you know that, okay, the products that you're using at home versus what you see at the dermatologist office, are they the same? Is it the same efficacy?
No, the efficacy is not same. Consumers are driven by social media and advertisements these days. So they, normal psychology is you see a nice advertisement and a product with good fragrance and good packaging, of course you will buy it. Being a dermatologist, I always focus on the exact formulation. We see what are the ingredients, what is the delivery mechanism. Now, a lot of people say that, I just crush vitamin C tablets and then I make a solution and put on my face.
Yes.
That doesn't work. Vitamin C is a molecule which cannot penetrate the skin if you just apply vitamin C. It requires very sophisticated vehicles so that it can actually seep in the skin. Skin is very selective. A lot of DIY is there. I keep on sharing on my social media pages. I keep on telling my patients. So not everybody has got access to a dermatologist. People living in small towns, people who are very busy. So good home care also works. A lot of fruit masks are there. You can prepare at your home. Put some honey and yogurt, and you can apply on the face. So DIYs, they also work, but again to a certain extent, just by using
So
your
we
home
can't
care
just stay with our grandmother's recipes, you're saying.
No. In this era, no.
So Pankaj, what are your top 3 tips for us to maintain beautiful skin?
So first tip is good sun protection. Use a good SPF every day. Doesn't matter whether you're going out or not. Second tip is get a good home care regime from your dermatologist so that you have a good day cream, good night cream. And third is once in 3 months or once in 6 months, visit dermatologist for a good anti-aging preventive treatment.
Thank you, Dr. Pankaj. I guess my first thing is I need to go visit the dermatologist.
Yes.